Welcome back, everyone, to another Vocab Builders session. In our previous video, we explored be words that come from the Old English prefix like befriend, bewitch, and benighted. Today, we're shifting gears to look at three Latin roots that also begin with be, ben, meaning good or well, belle, meaning war, and belle, meaning beautiful. These roots appear in many advanced English words. They kind of love to show off on exams. Think of today's session as a little word archaeology project. We're digging into roots and affixes to uncover how meaning is built. Let's dive in.
Words with bene, Latin root meaning good or well. Let's start with some powerful words built on bene. Benefit. Bene plus facere, to do, good or advantageous. Example, daily reading has many benefits for your vocabulary. The adjective form beneficial means producing a good effect or being helpful. The root facere, to do or make, appears in tons of English words. When you combine it with bene and different suffixes, you get a whole family. Benefactor. The OR ending tells us that this is the person who does good or gives help, often financially. Beneficiary. The ARY ending tells us that this is the person who receives the good. Fun note, same patterns appear in honorary, person receiving honor, or missionary, person sent on a mission. Beneficence, literally the act of doing good, kindness in motion. Beneficent, adjective form of beneficence, actively kind. Next, another important root, dicere, to speak. Benediction, bene plus dicere, a blessing, literally speaking good. And a few more bene words, benign, bene plus genus, born, gentle, harmless, favorable. Example, the doctor assured us it was a benign tumor, nothing to worry about. Benevolent, bene plus velle, to wish, kind, charitable, wishing well. Its noun form is benevolence, the quality of being kind-hearted. Example, the charity was supported by a benevolent donor who wished to help children in need. Words with belle, Latin root meaning war. Now let's switch to a root with a very different vibe. Belle from Latin bellum meaning war. Words with this root often carry intensity, conflict, or aggression. Bellicose from Latin adjective bellicosus, warlike, full of war, spelling simplified in English. Example, the general's bellicose rhetoric alarmed neighboring countries. Belligerent, bellum, war, plus gerere, to carry on, to conduct, same root as in manager. Hostile, aggressive, antagonistic. Other bell words include rebel, re plus bellum, one who resists authority or fights back. Rebellion, same roots, an act of armed resistance. Antebellum, ante plus bellum, before a war. In U.S. history, it refers to the period before the Civil War. Words with belle, Latin root meaning beautiful. Finally, let's end on a prettier note. Belle, meaning beautiful. These words often describe appearance, charm, or elegance. Belle, a beautiful woman. Beau, a handsome man, often a boyfriend. Beautify, to make beautiful. Beautician, a person who works to improve appearance like hair or makeup. Embellish, to make beautiful, to decorate or enhance attractiveness. That's all for today. 3 Latin roots beginning with be, bene, belle, and belbe. Take care, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson.